everyone, this is Lucifinity. You can call me just Lucy or Ate Lucy. So today I will having a Tagalog English monthly reading for the year 2026 para sa lahat ng zodiac signs starting this January. I'm a tarot and astrologer since 2019 and started my YouTube way back 2020 pandemic era. Basically, this is my comeback sa YouTube channel para sa mga lovely clients ko and future clients, guidance and healing. May readings focusing more on astrological placements. Kaya mas maganda po kung alam nyo ang inyong birth chart, natal chart for accuracy and timely readings. How to know your birth chart? Simply go to the Google and search birth chart, natal chart calculator. Dapat tama ang date of birth, time of birth, and birthplace. Kung di alam ang oras, pull up your birth certificate or ask your parents kasi importante po na tama ang details. The importance of knowing your chart is to guide you, heal you, and help you succeed in this lifetime. Let your astrologer read your chart for you, and I can help that for you. For everyone na makaka-resonate sa readings ko today, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. For everyone na mas gusto ng depth reading, kindly add me on my social media accounts in the description box and book a reading. Thank you and may light guide your way infinitely. So, let's start your reading. Hi Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is your month of January 2026 general reading. So, kung di mo alam kung anong ibig kong sabihin sa Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, that is your birth chart or natal chart. Bakit kailangan mo siyang alamin? Because it will help you heal, grow, and succeed in this lifetime. Okay? Kasi personal po siyang was made for you. So, parang blueprint siya ng buhay mo. So, napakaganda po nun pag nalaman mo kasi accurate po yung reading na yun and personal made for you. So, let's start with your reading. Okay? Punta lang po kayo sa Google and search mo lang birth chart, natal chart and lagay mo lang yung birthday, birth time, birthplace mo doon. Kailangan, tama po siya. Okay? For the accuracy of reading. So, yun lang. Let's see kung ano ang general reading for you sa January 2026. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Okay, may nag-isang nag-flip. Wow, that's Queen of Wands. Woo! Look at this intuitive queen with lots of freedom and power and charm. What about the Justice? You might be dealing with a Libra. But with the Justice, this is actually, parang going out my way to see the truth. Ganon. So, let's see kung ano yung... Okay, you got the Ace of Pentacles. This is actually great. You're starting up a new business or opportunity. Parang meron kang bagong project or big project in your mind. That's good. Okay, so Ten of Swords because some endings have to happen because why? Why? Oh, Okay, Ten of Swords with the Ten of Pentacles. That's actually good. Good start, no? Okay, so, ayan. Kita ba? Okay, so, ayan. Cancer, this is great reading, Right now, meron kang Queen of Wands, okay? It shows here that you're manifesting things in life. You're being happy. You're doing what you're passionate with Justice card. Justice, which means you're balancing things. You've been cherishing your truth, parang standing with your truth. Andito rin yung parang hindi ka lang just a woman or just a man. Parang you're an extraordinary person. Alam mo yon, yung parang ang dami mong kayang gawin. And emotionally, napaka-dependent mong tao. Like, independent mong tao na lahat ng tao magiging, alam mo yan, pag ikaw yung kausap o ikaw yung kasama, dependent sa'yo. Which is very emotional draining din sa end mo. So, napakagandang start na to dahil yung attitude na binibigay mo para magkaroon ka, parang mag-grab mo agad yung opportunity is very positive. You're being honest. You're being happy and grateful as always. Passionate with whatever you do. And then, ito ay parang nagbibigay ka din ng balance sa mga bagay-bagay. Naiintindihan mo na kung bakit nangyari yun sa past. And kaya mo na siyang i-maintain dito ngayon. So, may Ace of Pentacles because there is a new project or new things or bagong kabanata ng buhay or bagong pagkakakitaan kasi Pentacles as Coins or isang bagong kabanata na magbibigay sa'yo, magtuturo sa'yo na what happened in the past is actually not present here anymore. Hindi ka, napakaganda ng ano na to. Kasi, may tinapos ka na, Ten of Swords. This is like, parang finally nakabangon ka na dun sa pagkakasadlak mo. Ito yung parang, finally, break ko na. Ako naman yung susunod na magiging swerte. Ako naman yung may, marami pang, source of income. Parang ako naman yung, mo yung ganun, parang makakapag-travel na ako. Kasi, this is the end of of something. Kasi, from the Ten of Swords to Ten of Pentacles, the switch, okay, yung nag-switch agad siya doon, napakagandang opportunity or pangyayari sa buhay mo na the Ten of Pentacles, completion, complete family, stable job, stable, the dreams, you've manifested the dreams, you're already in your dream. Alam mo, nandito ka na sa pinapangarap mo. So, papunta ka na doon. Andun na yung transition mo. So, napakagandang energy nito, Cancer, no? Sana all. Okay, so let's go to the situation card. Ano nga bang current situation mo using the Situation Oracle deck? Okay, for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, please. Okay, nag-flip agad siya. Okay, history. Past happened. Okay. So, sabi ko na nga ba, hindi ka na naka-look back sa past eh. Nag-end na kasi papunta nga na doon, nagta-transit ka na sa completion. So, last one please. Okay. Last one is grip. Anchor, chains way down. Whoa! Okay, so parang, tama nga ako, nag-stand ka on your own truth. Talagang tumayo ka sa sarili mong mga paa at sa mga katotohanan about sa'yo at hindi ka sumuko, hindi ka nagpaapi, alam mo yon, sa kahit gaano kalakas o kabigat yung problema na tinamasa mo. Bakit nakaka-vibe ako na parang may binaha sa inyo? Parang merong binaha tapos nawala yung kang kabuhayan. I'm so sorry about that. Bigla na lang siyang pumasok sa akin out of nowhere. Nakita ko bigla yung parang binabaha, ganun. Tapos, hanggang ngayon parang nahihirapan ka pa din kasi hindi mo alam kung saan ka kukuha kasi meron kang sakit ata. But please, I hope na magkaroon ka ng medical assistance right away, no? Sana makatulong man lang sa'yo yung government kung nasan ka man ngayon, no? And anyways, so maganda dito is you stand with your you stay firm with your truth, with your ground. Kumbaga, parang hindi ka magpapaapi, hindi ka papagapi. Papaapi at apa ba yung tamang term? Hindi ka rin basta-basta madaling sindakin, kumbaga. So, napakaganda, napakatapang mo dito in a way na with sense, okay? With sense of like, I'm a fighter in life, parang ganun. Well, Cancerians are, kasi you guys are one of the best, one of the best people in the zodiac. Okay? So, let's see kung ano pa yung additional situation sa'yo using the Fanta Oracle. Okay, guys, napaka-cute niya. Diba? Pastel colors. So cute. Okay. Ay, sabi naman yun. Okay, so may nahulag na isa. Withdrawal. I've seen this one a while ago. So, meron ditong withdrawal. Quit, awakening, rejection. You might be quitting something bad habits. Parang nag-quit ka sa bad habits or bad habits of thinking, bad actions, na parang you used to, yung parang naging mo to. Parang tumigil ka na sa pagiging ganon. Kung ano man yon sa past mo. Past happened nga, di ba? Nangyari na yung past. So, hindi ka na babalik doon at hindi mo na siya nakikita. Like, hindi ka na apektado doon, which is good. Okay, Cancer? Pero, yeah, dito, may withdrawal tayong tinatawag. Siguro, nagkaroon ka ng awakening. Awakening like a deep awakening na the truth is, the world is, and the truth about you is. Whatever is that reason, it is personal, and I believe in you. I trust in you, Cancer. That is a good thing. Okay? So, let's go to your astrological placements. Tingnan natin kung ano ang astrological transits na pwedeng kung ibigay sa'yo na might be helpful for you para malaman mo sa chart mo. So, kung ano man yung sasabihin ko dito, tignan mo sa chart mo, okay? So, tignan mo kung ano yung transit or messages doon, baka makatulong yun sa'yo sa kung ano man yung nararanasan mo ngayon personal, okay? Mind you, okay? Believe me, trust on me, sobrang accurate niya. As in, sobrang accurate ng birth chart. Talagang tutulungan ka niya. Okay, lahat ng tanong mo, may sagot doon. Okay, so meron ditong opposition. Okay, opposition. Look in the opposition of your chart. Sige, ganito na lang. Dahil may Cancer ka. Look at the Cancer kung nasan siya may opposition. Pag sinabi natin kasing opposition, imbalance, a point of tension, and a power struggle. So, may struggle ka dito na nararamdaman ngayon kasi may opposition. So, sa chart mo, tingnan mo kung meron kang Capricorn. Kung nasan man si Capricorn mo, nandun ka merong opposition sa Cancerian energy mo. So, doon, titignan mo kung ano yung pinaka-messages sa'yo nun. Okay? So, yun. Okay, so let's go to the love reading, guys, using the Romantic Oracle deck. Romantic Angels. Okay. What is the love rating messages for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Kita mo yan, nag-flip. Okay, calling in your soulmate. Okay, for some of you, you're calling in your soulmate, manifesting, wishing. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. You know what? You're very intuitive person, Cancerian. So, may advice ko sa'yo, I hope, no, ginagamit mo siya sa personal growth mo and sa kung saan magkakaroon ng personal benefit. Kasi sobrang ganda kapag ka intuitively balance ka na and yung intuitions mo is in attuned with the higher self mo, yung pinaka-higher self mo, highest being mo, yung pinaka-future you. Okay? Kasi the past and the present connect as one, and that is the present. Okay? Alam ko hindi nyo nagigets yun, pero there's no such past kasi, only present. There's no future. The future is unwritten, is still unwritten. The future is here. So, kung paano mo nakikita yung sarili mo ngayon, kung anong dinidil with mo ngayon, yun yung magiging become ikaw sa future. Kung sige, example, stagnant ka ngayon, so tingin mo may future ka, of course, wala. So, that's what I mean, okay? So, maganda kung ngayon, ginagamit mo na siya, yung intuition mo for good purpose. Okay? So now, if you're calling into your soulmate, go for it because we all deserve to be loved. So for other people na merong ka-relationship ngayon, okay, what is that person you're dealing with, ang ano man yung mensahe na gusto niyang iparating sa'yo. Okay? For other people na is still currently dealing with a loved one or a romantic ideal romantic partner, ganyan. Pero, ewan ko, check the label first. I hid who I really am from you. Oh, someone pretended. Okay? Nagpretend sila kung sino talaga sila. Okay? Di nila kaya magpakatotoo. And so, maybe that's why you cut them off. Okay? Kasi, hindi siya nagbibigay sa'yo ng katotohanan and you have no time for BS. And that's a good thing, you know? Okay, so for the last card, tingnan natin kung ano yung may advice sa'yo ni Soul Truth Oracle deck. So, ano nga ba ang questions para sa mga Cancerians? Okay, ano nga ba ang question mo? At ano ang may sasagot sa'yo ni Universe? Please, one card for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay. Yan na. Totoo nga ba? Do I surround myself with people who lift me up? Ooh! Okay nga. Okay. Nakasurround ka nga ba sa mga taong alam mong may suporta at pagmamahal sa'yo? Okay. Kung hindi, alam mo na ang sagot doon. Ano nga ba dapat mong gawin? Of course, don't waste your time. Don't waste your energy. Don't give your money. Don't give your time to these people that doesn't give you. Okay? Same energy, same love, same effort. That's it. Do I have to explain it? Kasi minsan nagpapakabulag tayo eh. Kahit wala naman talagang may ibibigay sa yung tao, what's the point, okay? What's the point na nag-i-stay ka? Okay, so the people with whom we surround ourselves determine who we become. Does your tribe fill you up? Do they inspire you? Do they believe in you? Do they help you step into your greatest potential? Today's soul action is make a desire list of the type of people with whom you wish to surround yourself and clarify if there is anyone in your life who no longer serves you. Can you love them from a distance? Actually, alam mo, totoo yun. Minsan, kaya naman nating mahalin yung mga tao from the past kahit hindi na natin sila kahit kasama or like literally kasi we don't stop loving somebody, we don't stop caring, we just don't focus on it. I do believe on that na parang mawawala na lang siguro yung love or feeling of love sa isang tao or sa isang connection, kahit ano man yan, romantic man o hindi. Alam mo yun, dati mong mga kaibigan o sa dati mong trabaho, mga ganon. Mawawala na lang yan kapag di ka na nakafocus doon. Pero honestly, we always care for them. We still always care for them, praying for their good thing. Alam mo yun, kahit na marami tayong mga bagay na nangyari sa mga past relationships natin, nagkaroon tayo ng mga, alam mo yun, you get me, na itong mga taong to nagbigay ng sobrang heartbreak sa'yo, still, you wish them well, you wish them good things, you pray for their good things, you pray for their happiness and healing. Kasi, napaka-ikli lang ng buhay para ma-stuck tayo sa mga bagay na hindi na talaga importante. Kaya kung nakikita mo pa yung mga tao from the past, just don't give reactions to any of it. Don't give time, don't give any effort or mag-respond to it. Kasi really is not worth it anymore. So, yun lang naman. Surround yourself around people that actually help you, like truly help you. And in return, of course, I know na kaya mo maging grateful sa mga tao na katulong sa'yo. Because you have a kind heart, Cancer, and I do believe you always do. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Thank you. Kung nag-resonate to sa'yo, you can leave a comment on the comment section below. Kung hindi man, mas maganda po kung magpabukay ng personal reading sa akin, maka-reach out nyo ko sa aking social media accounts on the description box below. Pero kung ayun lang naman, mas maganda pa rin kung mag-PM kayo sa akin. So, yun lang naman. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!